What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Have you seen Google Whisk? It's the crazy AI tool that lets you generate insane images just by dragging and dropping photos. No long test prompts required. But here's a massive catch. Google is officially shutting Whisk down on April 3rd to move its features into Google Flow. Since you only have a few days left to export your stuff, let me show you exactly how to use Whisk right now before it's gone. Head over to labs.google/whisk. You'll see the three main boxes: subject, scene, and style. To create an image, you just drag and drop the reference photos into these slots. And if you want pet sitting in a futuristic city, just drop a picture of your pet into subject, a Nile skyline into scene, and 3D render into style. Now, once your images are in, Whisk uses Gemini to analyze your photos in Imagen 3 to instantly blend them together into a brand new creation. It doesn't just copy the pixels, it captures the vibe. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, you don't have to start over. Just swap out one of the reference photos or type a super short text prompt to nudge the AI in the right direction. When you get the perfect image, hit that download button immediately. Remember, anything left in Whisk after April 3rd will disappear. If you want to know how to keep making images like this after the shutdown, check out my video on how to use Google Flow right up and in the corner. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.